Good morning this Tuesday, the 25th of February. I'm Grady Wolf, market analyst with Bell Direct. Wall Street started the new trading week lower, extending on Friday's sharp inflation data-driven sell-off, as many of the major tech companies come under pressure amid concerns over weakness in data center spend and overvaluation in the space. The S&P 500 lost 0.5% on Monday, the Nasdaq fell 1.21%, the Dow Jones ended the day down 0.08%. Trump tariffs are also weighing on investor sentiment at the moment, after Trump said tariffs on Canada and Mexico will go forward after the month-long postponement ends next week. In Europe, overnight markets mostly fell as investors reacted to the results of the German federal election. The STOXX 600 fell 0.08%, Germany's DAX rose 0.62%, the French CAC lost 0.78%, and in the UK, the FTSE 100 ended the day flat. Shares in leading global on-demand food delivery company Just Eat Takeaway soared 54% in Europe overnight after tech investor Prosus announced its plans to acquire the company in a deal worth $4.3 billion. Across the APAC region on Monday, markets mostly fell, taking lead from Wall Street's worst session of the year last Friday, after fresh inflation data in the US pointed to a slowing economy and sticky inflation. China's CSI index fell 0.22%, Hong Kong's Hang Seng lost 0.58% on Monday, South Korea's Kospi index fell 0.35%, and Japan's Nikkei was closed for a holiday. Locally, to start the week, the ASX 200 posted a 0.14% rise at the closing bell, as strong gains for utilities and financial stocks more than offset the 6.84% tumble in tech stocks. Logistics software solutions provider WiseTech Global was the driver of the tech plummet yesterday, as shares in the company dived 20.09% following news that 4 directors on the company's board quit over founder Richard White's ongoing role with the company. NIB Holdings, on the other hand, rose 12.5% after the company reaffirmed guidance for FY25 profits between the range of $235 to $250 million, as it focuses on a return to profitability for its New Zealand business. And EVT shares posted the greatest gain on the market yesterday, with a rise of 12.88% after the property developer and operator posted strong first half results, including profits up 8.3% year on year, which beat expectations by 83%, driven by the company's hotel division, achieving record earnings for the period. On the commodities front this morning, oil is trading 0.68% higher at $70.88 a barrel. Gold is up 0.61% at $2,952 an ounce, and iron ore is up 0.12% at $107.13 a tonne. The Australian dollar has strengthened against the greenback to buy 63.71 US cents, 95.04 Japanese yen, 50.03 British pence, and 1 New Zealand dollar and 11 cents. Ahead of Tuesday's trading session here in Australia, the SPI futures are anticipating the ASX will open the day down a sharp 0.76%, and that's tracking Wall Street's sell-off overnight. And now let's dive into some trading ideas for your consideration today. Bell Potter has downgraded the rating on Domain Holdings from a buy to a hold following the announcement of US property giant CoStar, making a $2.7 billion takeover bid for the real estate platform. Nine Entertainment Co. has a 60% controlling stake in Domain, which remains a block for the acquisition, but Bell Potter's analyst sees a takeover bid as attractive. And Trading Central has identified a bullish signal on Rural Funds Group following the formation of a pattern over a period of 33 days, which is roughly the same amount of time the share price may rise from the close of $1.79 to the range of $1.88 to $1.90, according to standard principles of technical analysis. And that's all for this Tuesday. Have a wonderful day and happy investing.